Today, OKE will show how to install uprights and beams. Step 1. Connect the diagonal braces to the uprights to provide extra side support and strengthen the structure's ability to resist pressure. Step 2. Install the spacer tube at the horizontal brace position, ensuring it is parallel to the column plate and fixed securely. Step 3. Connect the diagonal braces to the uprights to provide additional lateral support and enhance the structure's compression resistance. Step 4. Tighten the bolts at each connection point to ensure all components are secure and stable. The whole upright beam assembly is complete. Ensure the beams and accessories are in good condition. Accurately align the beams with the uprights to create a stable connection. The beams are secured to the uprights using safety locks. Use lock pins or bolts to firmly secure the beams, ensuring safety and reliability. Finally, perform a thorough inspection to make sure all beams are installed securely.